or welcome if you're new. My name is Lindsay and this is Boy Mom Loves to Save. Happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for being here, spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And yes, today is going to be stuffing for a new car. But first, I have a couple of things to do, but for sake of editing time, today is Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, my husband is off, and I'm working late at work. So I wanted to get this recorded, so hopefully I can get it edited and up tonight so I don't even have to worry about it. So for my IRA, in my IRA book, I scratched this off and quickly colored these in before I started recording so that I didn't have to do it on here and fast forward it. But that should be $445. I'm just gonna finish this page. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 120, 45, and this money comes from Etsy and YouTube. So again, every time I do this on Wednesday, I like to say thank you to all of you, and this just means the world to me that I am funding my IRA from this little thing that was a hobby for me that I got started in. And so yes, thank you so much. So what I do is I bring it back here, and here we go. So this should be at $585. Let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 20, 40, 60, 85. So 585, and I already added it in. Today's the 16th. So I am now, for what I've contributed for this year, will be $5,265 once I add this in. So to complete or max out for this year, I still need $1,735. So I'm getting so close. I'm so excited. Oops, what am I doing? Put that in there. I'm gonna set that off to the side. Okay, so I got that done quick, didn't have to worry about it. But I also want to do holidays. So my holiday binder here, I already completed Halloween, so I want to do Black Friday. Let's do another number on here. Let's go over this very first one. That is 25. 25. So this is 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $405 out of, okay, so I'm getting there on that. Let's get this put back in here, put this in the back. Okay, and then birthday, last birthday for a while is my son, which is actually, today's Monday. I think his birthday's 2 weeks from today is what it is. I believe that's what it is. I know it's the 23rd, but I think that's 2 weeks. I think it's on a Monday. Let's go here. I did get his gifts purchased, but this is gonna be for his birthday party where we invited everybody in the classroom. I got some RSVPs for it already, but we do it at a local trampoline park. So that is 20. We do it at a local trampoline park, and so it's normally like the week of that everybody starts RSVPing, just so I can have an idea of how many gift bags and all that stuff to make up for the kiddos. Let's go do the big ones. 15, and then this will be 20. We'll go 30. Let's try and do 50. 30. 40. And let's do this one. 50. Let's add another 50 in here. 20. 40. I'm going to put this 10 back and take another 20 here. Okay, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 5, 10, 11, and 12. 212, good. And then here, let's just go over to New Year's. And this is going to scare me because these are big numbers. Because we don't need a lot for New Year's. I just try to do some fun stuff with the kids around the house. Typically my husband likes to work it because of the overtime pay for it, because we don't really do anything for New Year's, but I like to have like a little kid-friendly party. I always have fun with the boys doing that. And then we do an early ball drop little celebration. Let's do 20, 1, 2, 3, but I like to condense this binder down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll take a 5. All right, so for New Year's, 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, and 6. Put this back, and that is all I'm gonna do in this binder today, because the biggest, like I said, priority is my son's birthday. And then after that, then I can start going through all of the challenges. That's just where I want most of the money to go. So then that next brings me to new car binder. I feel like I haven't done this one forever, but I did state in one of my videos, I'm actually not planning on purchasing a vehicle anytime soon now. This money is pretty much going to be used, if anything is needed for the car, on fixing it, the one that my vehicle, because in about a year and a half, we're trying to buy my dad's house and move actually out of state. So it was kind of sprung it on me because I didn't know he was looking to sell his house. So I don't want to get a new payment of any sort if we are going to be buying his house. So hopefully we don't need this for maintenance. And then after we buy the house, we can, if at all possible, then we can, I could still use this money for a new vehicle. So right now it's just kind of there if needed to fix anything. 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. And I was just telling myself I need to get out my dice, and I did not do that. So I will be right back. Okay, this one is the percentile die. That is 80. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 80. So this one is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 520. So next time I do this, I am actually going to put a prop $500 in there, because I would rather be getting interest on this money rather than it sitting in a binder, because $500 is a lot of money. All right, on here, I think last time, or maybe the time before, I forgot to do the D3 die as a multiplier, but I will not forget this time. That is $10. We're gonna do 10 times 1 is 10. I can come back and do a second round on all these, I will for sure do it. Then this one, I'm gonna get the next one colored in, and then I roll a D20 for it. Here's my D20, and that is 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. And then this one I have not been counting. I almost counted it. Okay, this one, I'm gonna probably get a couple of these scratched off. That's another 45 going in. 20, 40. 5, and I don't remember what this one is when it's done, but I am at 10 or 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 200, 220, 25, and 30. $230. And here, let's see. 17. 10, 15, 16, 17, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $201. But can I? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, All right, I need one of the smaller markers. There's one, a black one. And I was doing D12. This is the 12. There's 12. Plus 1 is 13. Plus 12, so 12, 24, 25. I'm gonna actually stop right there. That was like, I think the highest ones I've rolled. 25, and this one I was not counting either. All right, this is this challenge, and I think, was I doing? Let's just roll a 6-sided die to see how many I'm gonna do. We'll do more than that. Each one of these is $2, so let's do that. Count for that. 4. So that 6 plus 4 is 10, and I was trying to get around this curve here, so let's see what we get. 4. Stop and pick up Bibbidi Button Fluff and save $5. That is 6 plus 5, so that's another $11. Okay, did I get this money out yet? No. All right, this one is at 20, 40, 60, 81, 150, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and 61. $161. Oh, you know what? I don't think I saved. I guess I'll just save it when I get to here. I don't think I saved that. Okay, I'll figure it out later. Okay, this one, I thought I was going to do a D3, but I'm pretty sure because the numbers are so high that I have not been doing this one as a multiplier. Okay, that's going to be 12. Let's put 10 back, take a 20, and then 1 and 2. This one's at 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. And yes, I'm gonna write that on here. I've been doing this one as a D3. Okay, let's get that there and get one scratched off. 4, that's on its side. 4 times 1 is 4. I'm gonna put 1 back and take a 5. Oops, scratch one off first. Another 4. 4 times 2 is $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But this has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go. Is this. So I will be able to finish this one today. That's going to be 56. 20, 40, 55, and 56. But can I transfer these? Let's see. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, $200 is going to go to the high yield savings, which actually I need to start thinking about because I'm going to need new tires for my car. They are bald. And I was doing a D6 multiplier on this one. So, okay, 7, times 2 is 14. If I can complete this today, I want to. 14, so I'm gonna put 10 back, take a 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, as I've already making the transfer over to the savings. So 1 plus 3 is 3. 1, 2, or 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 2 is 18. 2 back, take a 20. And then 2 times 1 is 2. 1, 2, and then 1 times 4 is 4. There we go. 5 times 5 is 25. 20, we'll put the 5 back and take a 10. And then last one, 2 times, that's on the side, 2 times 6 is $12. Do that, 20, 1, 2, and before I finish, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so by doing a D6 multiplier on this savings challenge, it saved me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 348. Okay, that one is done. Now, okay, I still have some money left. I started off within here. I originally had $600, but I want to do about 100 into my holidays binder. So I had roughly $500 in there. But I'm trying to see, see, I'm already making the transfer. What do we got here? Let's just see what we get here. That's gonna be 10 times 3 is $30. I'm gonna do 10, put 10 back and take another 20, okay? You know what? No, I'm not gonna do this one anymore. Let's see here. 12. 10, 11, 12. 18, so I can do 2 back, yeah, that's 2, 10, 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think I needed 99 in here, so I don't think I have enough. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take these last 2 10s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, and 62. Definitely don't have enough to finish this today, but at least I'll be able to finish it next month. So that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think I'm gonna come back up here to Ren's, do another card, and if I get an IOU, that's okay. It shouldn't be too much. It's a small one. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another card. And 6. So that means that is a $3 IOU. Put all this in here. And let me grab an IOU slip. Okay, got an IOU slip from Ren. That's $3. Just gonna put it right here. All right, that is it for this video. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you. I appreciate you all for being here and spending time with me. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week, and I will talk to you all on Friday. Bye.